Better reliability, better design, 100 extra horsepower, and no compromises in drivability. That's my 22 Cummins behind us. I've spent a lot of time on the dyno in that truck. I've spent a lot of seat time in the truck. I've built carb-approved tunes for it. I have hours on the engine dyno. I really like the way the truck drives. With a tune, especially, making 450 or 500 rear wheel horsepower. The exhaust brake works great. The response is great. The thing that I don't like about it is that it gets hot. Basically, EGTs are out of control anything over 450 rear wheel horsepower. Sure, you can go there for a short while, but it just isn't going to stay under 1500 degrees when you're there for any length of time. So as a designer, builder, and tester of turbochargers, this is one of my favorite platforms. Let me walk you through the strategy as we build an STR for the late model Cummins. As a customer, if I'm buying a replacement turbocharger for this truck, I don't just want stock, I want something better than stock. Likely I have the truck tuned, so I want a turbocharger that's going to perform well with the tune. The first area of issue on this turbo is not the compressor side. The first area of issue is the turbine. Drive and boost ratios simply get out of control. As you go past 450 horsepower on these trucks, the drive pressure simply has nowhere to go. The turbine side is not big enough, and the volute is not big enough to flow enough exhaust to get out of the way to make power. When that happens, pressure goes up, EGT goes up, performance goes down, the turbine basically gets choked. So as we attack the problem of building the best stock turbo replacement we can, we start on the turbine side. First up is the volute. The factory volute is only 8 millimeters wide and does not allow a lot of exhaust to flow through it. So we open up the volute to 10 millimeters. What this does is allow us to design a nozzle ring and shroud plate that takes advantage of that extra exhaust flow. Of course, this requires a redesign on the nozzle ring and the shroud plate. These are all benefits that you're getting when you're buying an STR turbocharger. Modified turbine housing, modified shroud plate, modified nozzle ring, and a matching turbine wheel to take advantage of that extra flow. While the main updates are on the turbine side, we also upgrade the compressor side. We build a lighter wheel than factory, we use billet material instead of cast, and it's a higher flowing wheel that can take advantage and stay alive at higher shaft speeds. When we pair these up, that means lower exhaust gas temperatures under load. At 450 horsepower, you're looking at 75 degrees less on the EGTs. At 500 horsepower, you're looking at 150 degrees less. Anything over 500 horsepower, 200 degrees less on EGT. The STR is able to run 5 psi more boost pressure and 15 pounds less drive pressure at 2750 RPM and 500 horsepower. That's a huge change in boost to drive ratio. It means reliability. The failure mode in these turbochargers involves soot accumulation, overspeeding, and overheating. If we can keep the truck running clean by supplying extra air via the turbocharger, we can keep the truck running cool in the exhaust, allowing things to escape on the turbine side, and keep compressor speed in check by allowing the truck to make all those things happen below 135,000 shaft RPM. We can keep the turbocharger alive longer. Let's talk about peak power. The STR will go to 600 horsepower at the same air-fuel ratio that the factory turbocharger goes to 500 rear wheel horsepower. That's a 100 horsepower improvement without any sacrifice in drivability. That's huge. What's more, this turbocharger was designed, built, tested, and QC'd in-house here at Calibrated Power. Each turbocharger comes with a genuine whole-set actuator, a 1-year warranty, and our world-class customer support. If you're a tech junkie and you want the full data set on how this turbocharger outperforms a stock turbocharger, check out the link. If you want to talk to somebody about how this unit works on your truck, your combination of parts, how it might work for how you use the truck, give us a call. 815-568-7920. We have people on the phone ready to answer your call.